Hi, I'm Tam from Discover English with another 1-minute pronunciation tutorial. Today we're looking at the vowel sounds OR as in horse, important, boring, and as in bird, stirring, shirt. OR and are both vowel sounds. OR is a vowel sound with rounded lips, like a circle, but only a very small one. Your tongue goes very far back down in your mouth, almost closing your throat. It's OR, like you're getting ready to kiss, but not ah. For example, daughter, 4, 44. Second sound, as in shirt. This sound is also made with your tongue far back in your mouth, but your lips are not quite round and a little bit more open. This sound is quite rare in other languages, but actually very common in English. Let's try it. Murder, learn. Be careful not to get confused with ah. For example, listen to these sounds. First, fast, burn, barn. This is a common mistake for people whose first language is Japanese. Like all other English pronunciation, the spelling doesn't really help us. OR is the most common spelling in the sound OR, but not in the example of work or world. And a common spelling for the sound is ER at the end of words, but Aussies say it quite differently, like teacher, carpenter, singer. That's all for today. Keep practicing to learn how to verbalize your words.